In this video, you'll learn how to create a crying effect in voiceovers using ElevenLabs. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to achieve an emotional vocal delivery that resonates with listeners. First, open your web browser and navigate to ElevenLabs.io. If you are not already signed in, you will need to log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Next, locate and click on either text-to-speech or Studio for longer scripts. Selecting text-to-speech will allow you to generate voiceovers directly. If you choose Studio, you will have access to additional features for more complex projects. After that, it's time to choose the right voice. Look for a soft, emotional voice that can convey the feeling of crying. Generally, female voices tend to sound more natural for this type of emotional delivery. It is advisable to avoid voices labeled as energetic or robotic, as they may not produce the desired effect. Now, you will need to adjust the settings for the voice, set the stability to a range of 30 to 45%, which will create a shaky emotional quality. For similarity, aim for 70 to 80% to maintain clarity in the voice. Additionally, adjust the style exaggeration to a range of 10 to 25% to add an emotional tone. A combination of lower stability with moderate style will effectively create a natural crying. Once you've configured the settings, write your text to evoke emotion. Use short sentences, ellipses, and line breaks to enhance the emotional impact. For example, you could write, "I can't do this anymore," or "Please don't go." Lowercase letters combined with pauses will make the voice sound more fragile and emotional. To further enhance the emotional delivery, incorporate pauses strategically, use commas, ellipses, and line breaks to create moments of silence. These pauses will make the voice sound like it is choking back tears, adding to the overall effect. Finally, click on Generate to produce the voiceover. Listen carefully to the playback. If the voice does not sound shaky enough, you may want to adjust the stability slightly lower. Conversely, if the style seems too dramatic, you can make further adjustments to achieve the right balance.